There's now a way to send text messages on your phone underwater. Right now, hand gestures are the preferred way of keeping in touch under the waves, and professional divers use a globally recognized vocabulary of more than 200 of them. However, these don't work well over longer distances, or when visibility is poor. With those limitations in mind, researchers have developed a special smartphone app that uses acoustic signals to enable people to stay in touch underwater. Smartphones rely on radio signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless communication. Those don't propagate well underwater, but acoustic signals do. Acoustic signaling isn't new, but it previously required expensive specialized hardware. Other than downloading an app to their phone, the only thing people will need is a waterproof phone case rated for the depth of their dive. That app is AquaApp, and it can work with speakers and microphones, on ordinary smartphones, or even smartwatches. It gives users 240 preset messages to pick from, split into 8 categories for easier access. There were numerous engineering challenges that the team had to deal with. Reflections from the surface, the floor, and the coastline affecting signal strength. Motion caused by people and other objects in the water, which can interfere with signal transmission. And different microphone and speaker setups found between smartphone models. On top of that, smartphones and smartwatches used to send and receive messages are likely to be always shifting position under the water. All these factors are taken into account in AquaApp's algorithm, which weighs up the distance between communicating devices and possible interference before sending a message. The app does this through a preamble that establishes contact between two devices. Having established the best conditions for messaging, the communication can then be sent, overcoming obstacles like motion and reflection. In tests in a variety of scenarios, the team found the app was effective at communicating messages across a distance of 30 meters. For shorter length messages, emergency SOS messages, for example, the app can go up to 100 meters. This is all managed without a huge drain on battery life.